In this video I have discussed about some common issues with Galaxy S24 Ultra and let's see how to fix them. The first and most common issue was with display. A lot of people complained about less saturated display and few also reported grainy display at low brightness. The first issue is fixable after a new update. So if you got your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra brand new, make sure to update it to the latest software so you can see this new vividness slider option that is present in display settings, then screen mode. Now choose advanced settings and here is vividness slider. I like to keep it around here to match with my Galaxy S23 Ultra. Grainy display cannot be fixed through a software update. If you have that kind of display, it's a hardware defect and it's better to get your phone replaced. Next, a lot of people are reporting about average battery life with Galaxy S24 Ultra. In this video, I have shared some awesome tips that can maximize battery life of your phone. Few of them are to use light processing profile, using dark mode, and not using an image with always on display mode. You can check out the full video from the link down in description. Next, related to camera. If you are getting blurry shots, you have to just change one setting to make a lot of difference, and this setting is present in camera as intelligent optimization. Here you have to choose minimum. As you can see, it says take pictures as fast as possible. Now you will be able to take crisp and clear shots of moving objects without any massive blur. So give this setting a try. In the same way, Samsung has added a feature in gallery that is Super HDR. When this is turned on, HDR image will be shown by automatically adjusting display to maximum brightness. You can turn it off if you don't like auto brightness when checking out images in gallery app. Some people are complaining that call recording option is not available on their Galaxy S24 Ultra. Well, you can manually check if this option is available by going in phone dialer, then settings right here. Now tap on record calls. Unfortunately, this feature depends on your region and local laws. This isn't available everywhere, but you can download a third-party app from Google Play Store. My recommendation is Cube ACR from Google Play Store, so check it out. These were some of the main issues with Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you are facing any other issue, then let me know about it in the comment section. I'll be soon sharing best settings to use with camera on Galaxy S24, so make sure you are subscribed. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.